Hey everybody, this just showed up. I am so excited. Here's an unboxing. All right, so as you know, FlyingEyes makes incredible sunglasses, but they don't have what I've learned to call ophthalmics, which means regular glasses like what I'm wearing right now. Now, what I'm wearing right now is FlyingEyes because we took probably the only sunglass frame that we can to make regular clear prescription lenses, and I've been wearing these FlyingEyes glasses as regular. But now Dean and the guys and the team at FlyingEyes have created ophthalmics. So let's check it out. Here we go. These are not sunglasses. Oh, look at this. Nice. They have sectional wrapping paper. That is so cool. All right, we'll just throw the sectional away. It's probably expired. All right, so here they are. Let's see, the new ophthalmics from FlyingEyes. And they're black. No, wait, that's just a case. Okay, now the cool thing about the case, for those who don't know, the case doubles as lens cleaner, so you can use it to wipe the lenses and everything. So now I'm gonna set this down. Unboxing, we've got the new ones. Now, I said ophthalmics, but they're dark. That's because these new ophthalmics have the coolest magnetic holders for the sunglasses. Is that not cool? All right, so now, the new ophthalmics, these are my prescription. Oh yeah, nice. And so then when I want to go outside, it's a real quick snap. Okay, these are awesome. So go to the FlyingEyesOptics.com, use the discount code TAKINGOFF, all caps, one word, for 10% off. And you too can have something that cool. So, all right, go buy them.
So Colten is a mortgage banker, and what that means essentially is we utilize our own warehouse facilities, our own money to fund the transactions, and it gives us control of the transaction. Whereas mortgage brokers broker the transaction, refer the files and the client's business out to other banks and aggregators within the industry for them to make the decision on it. We maintain those controls in-house so we can control our client experience level and assure that we perform at the highest level.